I welcome you all to this trading session. My name is Victor FS, and I believe you have had a primary knowledge over trading. But if you don't have, I'm here with you. Gone are the days that trading needs a high experience knowledge before you could trade. Today, every successful trader has an AI who or which made him or her rich. So, today we are diving on how you can trade with AI. The most foolish thing anybody will do is trying to analyze trading with his or her head. It doesn't work. I've done that for over 3 years. I'm here to teach you the best way that have generated me over 60 million naira you saw on the video and over $59,000 that you're seeing here. So let's dive in. Everything is going to be okay. Seeing my live account here, you're seeing that I have over $59,500, and you see my demo account. I have about 9,000. So demo account is given to every user who signs up to a particular site. Now, trading platform have the same modus, though owned by different companies and managed by different companies. Now, the need for the demo account is for you to learn how to trade, but there's no need for all this. And this is my live account. Now, what actually happened in trading? You have been hearing that some persons lost money in trading. But I hope some of you knows our great trading men like GFFS, LBFS, Ahmed SM. Most of them are driving car of 2 billion and they made all through trading. You can make that. If I could be able to make over 60 million naira, moving from 1 million naira to over 60 million naira in a month, this last month, July, you are equivocally going to make that if you undergo the same process I've undergone. This is not Yahoo that you talk about a grace. There's nothing like grace. If you follow the same process I followed, what worked for me will work for you. Now, listen very carefully. Let's go in. Now, this is what you call signal. Sometimes when I haven't started trading, I'll be hearing that they drop signal. Those messages will be sounding straight to me. What does they mean by dropping signal? Now, this is the signals. Now, these signals, so you can see we have crypto signals, we have commodity signals, and this is Forex. Now, this is currency pair. We call this currency pairs. You can see we have euros through USD, we have GBP through USD, this is British pounds through USD. We know US USA dollar. You can see this, all this. Now, what actually happened here? Explain this thing now. It means that euro is going against dollar. Now, with your normal sense, why I told you that it will be very foolish for any trader or any beginner to start trading with normal sense. You will certainly lose everything. I'm telling you, don't try that. Now you can see, let's analyze this mathematically. You see that we have euros through USD. Already, euro is greater than USD. 1 euro is about 2,000 something. 1 USD is about 1,000 something. Now, if you use that mindset, say euro is the numerator, or we say euro is up and USD is down. So far, euro is greater than USD is going to go up. It will go up, and at the end of that trading, it will come down and disgrace you. So that is why some people will start shouting that I lost this. You can't analyze trading with normal say, because there are some factors that affect trading that you don't know. It's not about the currencies. Economic news, you don't know the economic guiding the two countries, for example, the euro and the USA. You don't know economy, you don't know the interest rate, you don't know the number of investors affecting this, you don't know the inflation rate between these two currencies. That is what AI can analyze. Now, let me give this analysis. For example, we are just sitting outside, you will see short time, the cloud becomes very dark. That is an impression that rain is about to fall. We all know that. But then the weather forecasters will tell us that no rain is going to fall. Or how was they able to know that? It's with the help of AI to their holding. But all of us have seen, based on our visibility, we are seeing that it's about to rain, and without them, all of a sudden everything vanishes. Or sometimes we see that the weather forecaster will tell us that there will be rain so day. And on that day, you see that sun will be very bright, everywhere will be bright, and all of a sudden, rain start falling. Do you understand something over that? The AI tool they are using have predicted and have made everything accurate. Now, I'm not just telling you that all AI tools can be accurate. Then, after 3 years, I traded with my normal sense. The fourth year, that should be 2024. I started using one AI trading platform, and that it doesn't even make sense to me. But this trading board that I'm about to show you will change everything for you. Now, let's dive in. I've explained this. Now, some time again, what trading board helps is that it makes it faster. It analyzes accurately. Just like a student, two students don't enter the exam, the other one using his head, while the other one just teach ChatGPT, ask ChatGPT. The person that uses ChatGPT will be more accurate and more faster. You understand? But if they catch you, that you said, now, let's enter. So you can see this is a trading AI. Before I trade, I must analyze it. Now, this trading AI. So I want to show you something before we proceed. Okay, let me just trade first. Now you can see, once you sign up to this trading AI, it's going to dictate your country. I'm in Nigeria, and I'm on premium on this side. I will talk about that later. Now, you come here, you click on select platform. These are so many platforms here. These are so many platforms. Now you look for the platform you are trading with. Now, if I advise you, I do tell students, if I'm teaching you about trading, use the platform I'm using. So that not when I teach you trading, you will use another platform. And after you come and tell me, but with the help of this AI, any platform you use it on, it will certainly work. I've used it on Quotes and I've used it on this one. But I prefer using this particular trading platform I'm using. Now, you scroll to the bottom. This is if your own trading platform is not here, there's every need for you to use this one I'm using and start up again. Now, you can see this is the platform I'm using. It is not connecting to the platform. It is not analyzing those signals that I'm about to trade. It have analyzed it. You can see. Now, one thing I like about this platform is that you can see euros or USD is telling me caution. Just like traffic light, yellow, caution, don't move, be careful. That is warning. Now, GBP is saying danger, not even dare it. So I will scroll up. Let me use the cursor. Let me stop touching using the Android. Now you see this is goes to USD and it says save. I'm going to trade with that. Now you will then analyze the trade. Now see it analyzing the trade. It will show me the duration, whether to go up or down, and everything will work faster. It say go down 30 seconds, 75. Now be very careful about this. Now once this confidence is not up to 70, please analyze again. This is where you analyze again. If you're not up to 70, analyze again before you say that I taught you what made you lost your money or blah blah blah. If you check the comment section, I believe my students should have seen this video. Some of them have made a lot of money. So with this trading boat, if I trade on another platform, there's every need for you to use this trading boat now. Now, it's a 30 seconds, 75% confidence. That's I'm good to go. Then is goes SAU/USD. Then I go back to my platform. Now I will come here. This is where the signal is. Then I will come is commodity, isolate it. Then it's a 30 seconds. Mind for everything you're seeing there, mind it. Then now let me tell you this. Why some traders will tell you that they made millions of money in 30 minutes or sometimes 1 minute. You will start saying that this is scam. It's not a scam. You will see it here. In trading, you select any second and predict. Once it works for you, your money is there. So if I win with this $250, you are seeing it, I'm going to be paid $440. Like in 2026, if you are not trading, if you're doing other business, you are wasting your time. Any money you are making online that you are not using AI to make, you are outdated, you are out of date. So you can see it. If I win with this $250, I'm going to get $440. This $440 worth over 600,000 naira. So I'm getting again worth over 300,000 naira if I win with this 30 seconds. In 30 seconds, over $300. Some of us, our fathers, cannot earn that in salaries. Don't blame your father. It's your turn now. Your mates have made it. There's every need for you to start up. What makes me different from you is the decision I took to start. Nothing again. It's not great. If you quit the process I've undergone, you will certainly make it. This is not Yahoo that you think of bad grace. You are here. Now, let me trade with this $250. It set up 30 seconds now. The line will be drawn. You see? So, at the end of this trade, if this thing that is moving goes up, it means that I've won the trade. Remember, what was there was 259,500 and something. It will be deducted from this here. Let's be watching. So, at the end, once I win, it will be added, the 440 will be added. So this should be 859,000, either 600 and something or 700 and something dollar. So let's watch. So I've seen it $59,950. I've won this trading. These AI tools, if you're trading with any other platform, there's every need for you to use these AI tools. It will turn your life into a story changer. If I could be able to use these AI tools to make over 60 million naira, as I've seen in that other video, I just did everything. Then, if you go to the same process using the same AI, you are going to make that. There's nothing like being grace. If once you see one of the issues that we kept thinking that I doesn't have is that some people doesn't tell you what they are doing. They will just tell you another thing, and once you start doing that another thing they told you, you will see yourself you not progress as that person is progressing. But whoever tells you what he or she is doing and you does that, what happens to that person will happen to you. Is the process is just what you are mindful of. So you have seen I've won this using this AI. Now let me tell you something. Now this, if you want to use this particular site, everything will be in the description of this video. Be careful. Scammers are watching me as you are watching me. Some of them have screenshotted this my picture to do their profile. Be careful. I will pin a link in the comment section, but don't be careful about that link on the comment section. Look on the description of this video. The link to this bot is here. The link to the trading platform I'm using is here. Then is on the comments description of the video. Then the WhatsApp link. Join the WhatsApp link so that I will guide you more if you have any question any day. So it's also there. Now you can see this is available to withdraw. Everything is here. You can see I withdrew about $2,000. That should be yesterday, 22/8 August. That you can see it around 1 p.m. That is about 3 million naira. So you can see 59 that everything appear here. And if you want to deposit, you can just click select $2. Then that is it. Now let me talk about the trading bot. And this is the trading bot. Now you will sign up to this trading bot. This will pop up. This is another profile that I'm using, another Gmail. You sign up with your Gmail and this will pop up. Now it is $7 per month. Now guess of it. I use this $7 last month to make over 60 million naira in trading when I've lost over 3 million naira in other years. But this, just $7 and made over 60 million. It guided me through the process. If you are not trading with AI, if you are doing an online business rather than trade, now you can ask yourself, who other people that are doing online business is bigger than the HBL, FS and others? Trading is the number one. Now you can see it's $7 per month. You get everything, rate and trading everything. Now for you to subscribe, this is about 10,000. Don't panic, you are paying in naira. 10,500. You can see enter your name, let me enter anything. Then enter Gmail, you proceed. Then this will change. Then you can pay with PayPal for better access. Pay with back transfer. You click here, then continue. An account number I brought for you where you will use and pay. I pray that my students see these videos who have made a lot of money from my teachings. So you will see them. I pray they see this video and comment. So you can see copy the account number, make the payment, you will be upgraded immediately. So you will start trading. Now remember, there's every need to start this. If you have any question, my number is also in the comment section. You can call me. If you chat me on WhatsApp, I couldn't respond fast. But the best thing you can do to yourself is to join the WhatsApp group. Now, if you're already a trader, just come here. If you want to use the trading bot only, go to Google, come here, type aico.it.com. That is the AI link. You can see it. You just type it. It will automatically appear. You can see it. You will access it. Get it, just 10,500. If you minus see 10,500 from the 60 million I made last month and the money I made this month, you will understand that I didn't waste my time. So that is just it. You join. Check the description of this video. Scammers are in the comment section. Be careful. So if you have any other thing, you can, once you join the WhatsApp group, you can message my number. Let's dive in. See you in. Make sure if you're a trader already, use the bot. Start the bot on Google and use it. And also, if you want to use the trading platform, if you from Google, you can say type QS 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 traders dot inc. So once you type it, it will automatically appear on Google. So it automatically appear on Google. So network is very bad. That is why. So that is it. So I thank you for listening to me. Make sure if you are doing any business online 2026 that doesn't require AI, stop wasting your time. Even if it's making you money, you are addicted. You know follow. So join trading and you see how to earn real money. December is coming.